Welcome back to the channel. Here are 10 important American English expressions that ESL learners may find useful in their everyday conversations. How's it going? A casual way to ask someone how they are or inquire about their well-being. No worries, used to reassure someone that there is no problem or need for concern. Hang in there. An expression of encouragement, typically used when someone is going through a tough time. Break a leg. A way to wish someone good luck, often used before a performance or important event. Bite the bullet. To face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage and determination. Hit the hay. A colloquial expression for going to bed or getting some sleep. Piece of cake. Used to describe something that is very easy or simple to do. On the same page. To be in agreement or have a shared understanding about something. Cost an arm and a leg. Used to describe something that is very expensive. Get the ball rolling. To start a project or activity, often used to encourage action. These expressions can add depth and naturalness to ESL learners' conversations in American English and help them connect with native speakers more effectively. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips. And feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, take care and keep practicing. Goodbye.